Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. And what's even more exciting is it's time for the first Monday meal from our new house! Yay! So I'm in my new kitchen, well, Mom's new kitchen, and we're making better than Olive Garden Alfredo sauce tonight. My mom's gonna add some stuff in it for flavor, like, she's gonna add some broccoli and some chicken. But the sauce recipe is what we're focused on. And we got it from her favorite app, All Recipes. So we're gonna put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, and you can add to it whatever you like. If you want it to just be Alfredo, then you can just have Alfredo. If you want to add to it some kind of sauce, not sauce, silly me, that is what Alfredo is. If you want to add to it some other kind of meat or vegetable, then go for it. It's up to you. Anyway, so that's what we're having in the first Monday meal at our new house, and we are so excited because Mom got another stove that is gas, and that is her favorite kind of stove to cook with. It's propane, and she just loves it so much, and is so excited because the water for the pasta just boiled so much faster in a propane stove. So Mom is just very excited to cook in her new kitchen. So watch her work. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. We would really appreciate it. Have a great Monday, everybody. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey, everyone. Welcome to the Monday meal. As Yoda said, we're in our new kitchen at our new house. Yay! Yay! New kitchen. So exciting. So, we are working on a better than Olive Garden Alfredo sauce. That is what this is called. And it's, of course, from my favorite app, All Recipes. And we've got the sauce thickening up here. Let me tell you what is in it. And also, we did 2 boxes of gluten-free spaghetti. It's already cooked and drained. I like to do 1 pot for my pasta. So instead of making the sauce in a separate pot, I made the pasta first and now making the sauce in the same pot. And then I'll put the pasta back in there. So 2 boxes of our gluten-free Barilla spaghetti. Then we have 3 tablespoons of sweet butter. Ours is Country Crock plant-based butter. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and that melted at first to start the sauce. And then we added the cream, which we're going to use half and half because that's what I have. It's Silk dairy-free half and half. And we used 2 full cups of that. So that's in there as well. And then we were supposed to add some garlic. So it's 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. So we used our Spice World here. And actually 2 cloves, sorry. So 2 cloves of the minced garlic is half a teaspoon per clove. So 1 teaspoon. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon, it's supposed to be white pepper, but I don't have any. I've tried to find some, but I'm having trouble. So I use black pepper. So 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. And then you melt the butter and the olive oil together and bring it to a boil. Then you add in the cream, then reduce the heat to medium, low. And then you add in the Parmesan cheese after the cream is cooked with it and the garlic and the pepper for about 5 minutes. So I just added half a cup of Parmesan cheese. For us, that is Follow Your Heart, dairy-free Parmesan. So half a cup of that is in there, and we're letting it thicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. So that's what's in here so far. Oh, it's getting nice and thick. Nummy, nummy. Nummy, nummy. And it smells good. As Yoda said, I'm also going to add in some broccoli that I steamed in the microwave, as well as, just steaming up the camera, as well as some chicken, canned chicken. So we're going to add that into the sauce as well. I'll show you the broccoli. It's all steamed in the bag, ready to go. So, smells great. Going to be marvelous. So excited. I'll show you the next step. All right, so I just added my So Delicious dairy-free mozzarella shreds, 3/4 of a cup. And you cook it about 5 more minutes or until the mozzarella is melted. And then I'm going to add the other stuff that I'm putting in my sauce before I add the pasta. Nummy. Okay, everyone, it's done, and I mixed in the pasta and the other ingredients, and it is delicious, like really good. So, I agree. I think it's better than Olive Garden. Give it a try, guys. Happy Monday.